So, this is a 99 Buick Park Avenue, and I'm having issues with my windshield defroster actuator motor. So, it might be similar with other models. I believe 98 through 2002, and it could also be compatible with the LeSabre if your controls are like this. Um, anyways. I went to or I look up on a web, and it says that you have to buy this actuator. It comes with a bracket. So which is true. You have to buy it, and it comes with a bracket. It's at the dealership is like 157, something like that. I couldn't really find it on eBay or anything anywhere else. The Chinese, I mean, there might be a way, anyways. Which that's my point, because I'm sure there's a way to get it. So, anyways, I already know that it's right here. Okay, guys. So right here it's gonna be. So this particular car has 4 actuators, 2 over here, 1 on the back, which is for the driver, and 1 in the front for that's the mode control, the main one, and there's another one over here behind the glove compartment, there's a lot of videos too on that one, and then there's another one over there on the underneath the dashboard, which is a pain. And for this one over here, they told me I had to remove the dashboard, and I was able to remove this actuator, actually with this one. So this one I was able to remove it using just a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, back and forth, just playing with it, and I was able to remove it. So yeah, so anyways, when I went to the dealership, I told the guy I'm having issues with my windshield defroster actuator, and he was like, he showed me a diagram, and he was like, oh yeah, it's the one that goes over here, up here, on top. And I was like, I don't think so, it's the one that goes over here. And he was like, oh really? Well, there's not a problem, because that same actuator fits in 3 different spots. And I was like, how convenient, So he told me it fits over here on top, the mixer, the one that comes from the outside. If it fits over here on the back and the front for the driver, and the main one controls the floor, front, and defroster. Anyways, so I did some research, and there's another one over here, which he said that one that was different. So the one over here, the one that he claims that it'll fit in 3 different spots, the part number, I was 890, 183, 82. So anyways, I'm gonna attach a picture of the diagram that he showed me, or maybe I'll leave a web link in the description. But anyways, we'll see how it goes. I think it'll be okay, because at the end of the day, this is just actuators, So I don't know if I missed something, or if I'm wrong. You guys correct me. I'm gonna show you real quick what I'm talking about. The main actuator. I was almost forgot. Okay, so it's really hard to do it over here like this. Anyways, okay. So the one for the control, the driver side, is this one, and it goes with 3 screws. I like 2. Okay, it's 1 and 2. right there. And the one that I was talking about that has the bracket, it's this one. You can even move it by hand. So if it's okay, if you don't want to buy it, you can just remove it and control this by hand, literally. You know, that was it's right there. That one has 3 screws, I believe. I don't know why that one had only 2. Maybe I lost some or somebody was messing with it. I'm not sure. Anyway, but it's right there. And that one can be moved by hand, I'm sure. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Bye.